welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do a little bit of everything from beauty, fashion, jewelry, pets, snacks, home decor. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. And y'all don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell so you do know when I upload. And if you enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. As you can see, today we are going to be unboxing the June 2020 Single Swag. Now, I love this subscription. It is it's a lifestyle subscription. You usually receive a piece of jewelry, some sort of a snack, and then the other could be a mystery. It could be some beauty products, different things, but it's always a really, really good box. Now it is $39.99. I will put a link down below that will get you $15 off your first box. So like I said, I just love this box so much. I don't think you need to be single in order to get it. I am married and I still get it. It's just a really good lifestyle box. And I really enjoy lifestyle box where you get a mix of everything, where you may get some beauty, but you may get some fashion or jewelry, things like that. So that's why I get it, because like I said, I really, really do enjoy getting lifestyle subscriptions. They're just my favorite in general. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what we got for June. I did cut the tape, but let's take a look. So when you open it, this is what you see right here. There is a card on top. Now, one thing I love that Single Swag does is not only something smells really good. Okay, so not only do they go over all of the items and give you information about them, they give you pricing, and then they add it up for you. You don't have to do the math. What? So the June 2020 Single Swag box has a retail value of $202. So let's get in here. It looks like we have 8 products. Oh, I see the treat. Oh, and I see what is smelling good. Okay. All right, so we will just go ahead. We'll start right here. This is from Way of Will. This is a Soothe and Cool Peppermint and German Chamomile Massage Oil. So that is the package. It says recover with Way of Will. Way of Will Soothe and Cool Massage Oil provides a soothing and cooling sensation to affected areas. A base of sweet almond, apricot kernel, and jojoba oil helps skin retain moisture, soothe irritation, and improve the protective barrier function of the skin. Then it says Boost Peppermint gives the skin a tingling sensation. German Chamomile cools affected zones. Lemongrass calms and tones the muscles and slack tissues. Wow, it does a lot. Says for optimal use, apply on clean skin after shower when skin is damp. Warm 5 to 8 drops of oil by rubbing your palms together and then massage onto affected area. Reapply as needed. So on the card here, they say muscle aches and pains are no match for this comforting and ultra relaxing massage oil infused with sweet almond oil, apricot kernel, and jojoba oil. Helps skin retain moisture and soothes irritation while leaving a protective barrier. And this is $30. Guys, I can already smell the peppermint, and I love peppermint. So I am very, ooh, okay. So it's in a nice frosted glass bottle. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. You do get a little bit of the lemongrass and the peppermint. That's really the main two. That's the two main, peppermint being the strongest. Yes, this is like awesome. I am excited about that. All right, and then the other item that I think was what I actually smelled when I opened it is from Spongel. This is in the Honey Blossom scent. This is their Pedi Buffer with built-in cleanser, cleanse and buff all in one. Yep, this is what I smelled. Oh, that smells so good. So there is that. And this is $18. Treat your feet with this body wash infused buffer with a built-in cleanser and soothing extracts that will whisk away dirt, skin, or dry skin, sorry, and leave your feet soft and silky smooth. Dermatologist tested, vegan friendly, cruelty free, and made in the USA. Now, I have actually had one of these before and they're amazing. If you love spongelles, you will love these because they have like a harder side that is to like get rid of, you know, calluses or dead skin or whatever. And then they have the smoother washing side to, you know, actually clean your feet. So I love these. I'm so excited to see that. All right, and then let's see, what is this guy right here? Hannah Sienna. Is that what it says? Yep. Hannah Sienna Nails on Point 5-piece manicure set, $18. Rescue yourself from any mani emergency with this fun, useful travel size kit containing clippers, a nail file, cuticle pusher, nail cleaner, and multi-purpose scissors. Well, that's nice. It's definitely something, oh, nails on point. This is definitely something nice to have. I have a couple of these. My husband likes to get a hold of them and then we lose pieces. So this is going to stay here in my office. I'll put it in a drawer. So I'm happy to have that guy. All right. Then we have got, this is from Jelly Pong Pong. It is a lip oil. It is $22. This therapeutic lip conditioner fuses all the benefits of a balm and a gloss into an oil-like concoction without the gooey stickiness. Imparts a sensual glow and tinted coverage to help improve the appearance and volume and softness. $22. Color infused hydrating oil. It's in cherry tomato, but you can see the packaging here. It is cruelty free, which I love. And then there it says cherry tomato. So let's take a look. Whoa. They weren't joking. Oh goodness. That is red, isn't it? All right, so just because I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, I'm not gonna swatch it. I am loving the In Beauty lip oil that I got in one of the first Trim Me boxes. I really didn't use it that much until one of my friends was like, no, it's great, try it. And I actually tried it and I've like fallen in love. So, all right, let's see. Then we have from Gemma Simone, Summer Vibes Rope Necklace and Charm Set, $60. There are so many ways to show off these summer-themed charms. Wear each versatile piece as a necklace or a bracelet by wrapping around your neck or wrist and adjust the easy-to-use cords to fit. Let's see. Oh, well, they are very pretty. So you can see the first one here on kind of like a cream color has the anchor. The lighter blue has like a lotus. And then the baby pink here looks like it has a horseshoe. Those are really pretty. I don't know that because that would make them $20 a piece. I don't know quite about the price there, but so there's something else. 2-in-1 necklace and bracelet. Wear each versatile piece as a necklace or bracelet by wrapping around your neck or wrist and adjusting the easy to use cords. So it shows them layering them, you know, 1 or 2 or all 3 of them. So it's interesting. They are really pretty. I do have to say that. They're not, like I said, not really my normal taste for jewelry, but they are pretty and definitely summery. So, all right, let's see what else we have got. Let's see, we have got a palette here from Steve Laurent. This is the Shade palette, $36. Whether you're going for a light everyday look or a deep nighttime smoky eye, this versatile palette will help you achieve endless looks and includes both shimmers and mattes. All right, well, let's take a look. I just got a Steve Laurent palette in the glossy box. So the inside packaging matches. There's a nice big mirror. Y'all, I think this is the exact same palette I got from Glossybox. It is very pretty. I mean, it literally does, like it says, you can go from day to night with this palette. I do like it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes and 5 shimmers. So I think it is very pretty. I'm gonna probably set this to the side. Like I said, I already have this exact palette because I do have my 10,000 subscriber giveaway coming up. So keep an eye out for that. All right, let's see. Then we have socks. These are ankle socks, lightweight, fine. This is Richer or Poorer is the brand. You can see there, and then you can kind of see the, so our socks, $14. Treat your feet with these stylish, cozy socks produced with high quality combed cotton designed for durability and comfort. So always nice to have a good pair of socks. These do feel very nice. They're very soft. So yay, cozy, cozy. And then I think that is everything except our treat. And looking at it, I don't know that I've ever seen these. And I'm kind of excited. It looks like I got bent a little bit, but that's okay. And I don't know if I'm gonna say this correctly. Prioline cream-filled wafers, $4. These are in strawberry, y'all. I've seen like the chocolate and hazelnut, but I don't know that I've ever seen strawberry. And it says, indulge in these delicious flaky treats produced with high quality ingredients in the USA. So I'm excited about these because I bet they're probably really good. Like I said, and I've never seen strawberry before. So we got our treat. We got the cherry tomato lip oil. We got the very soft and cozy socks. We got the 3 necklace / bracelet set. We got the manicure set. We got the spongelle to do our feet, keep them nice and smooth. We got this Way of Will massage oil that smells fantastic. And we got the Steve Laurent eyeshadow palette. This box was packed, y'all. So, like I said, Single Swag is $39.99 a month. I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out. It will save you $15 on your first box. As far as I know, the June box, this box right here, is still available. So if you like it, go ahead and grab you one. They do usually sell out every month. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.